Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the Gcapi.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. This DLL file is the Google Cloud API library. It facilitates the connection between local Windows applications and Google's web-based cloud services, managing data synchronization and secure user authentication. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The Gcapi.dll is required for Google Chrome to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Google Chrome will repair missing or broken application files. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Gcapi file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. A quick warning: many sites offering the Gcapi.dll are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. One approach to reviewing the Gcapi references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved the Google Chrome error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.